that's the main reason why open access is so important, because if you allow people to disseminate their work more freely and more rapidly, this will benefit science. What I tried to do to show here was an example of the São Paulo, produced by the São Paulo Research Foundation. It was one of the important keys of RI, which is open access. So I talked about an initiative of FAPESP, the São Paulo Research Foundation, that promotes open access, that has been promoting open access, in fact, for more than 20 years. So the Cielo, the scientific library online, was this initiative that I talk about. It was initiated even before the Declaration of Budapest. That was a very important public statement advocating open access. And now it's a platform that operates in 17 countries, most of them in Latin America, but also Portugal, Spain, and South Africa. And I would say that is a very rather successful experience from FAPESP in terms of promoting open access. The results of research, especially public-funded research, should be accessible to everyone as soon as possible. That's the main principle guiding open access. So when you have to pay a lot of money, and these publishers in some way they are an obstacle for this free flow of knowledge produced by research funded by public bodies. The results of science being more effective, that will benefit everyone that benefits from science. So I think it's not an internal issue alone. It's also something that increases the effectiveness of scientific research. I think international collaboration is increasingly important, and in order to develop fresh perspectives, in order to increase the effectiveness of research conducted everywhere, and what we see everywhere, I would say, particularly this is the case of the state of São Paulo, where FAPESP is active. They search for this international perspective very strongly. So this is important to development of science and research.